Hey guys, Glen Murray. How are you? Hope you're doing wonderful after the big 4th of July and July 1st celebrations in Canada, US. This is Vidproposals demo and review, and I just want to get into it right away. If you're looking for agency type stuff, you're thinking about doing agency, actually, agency, guys, is really easy to do these days. You can outsource everything. There's cut and paste. I have a couple of programs where I can go into any kind of local business, and I can just basically say, hey, we do web hosting, or we do your social presence, and you know what? For as little as $100 a month or whatever, we take care. We build you an entire website. We take care of it all. And we do all the social media for you, and we make sure your Google places are all up to date. And guys, it's so easy. Like especially like nail salons, hairdressers, dentists, orthodontists, all these kind of people. You can go in and do it. Well, instead of doing that, you can actually generate leads online and just send them a video proposal telling them what you do. Because there's so many software packages out there where you can just actually put together a site for them that costs you practically nothing, and it's done. You put in their important information, change a few photos, boom, they have a custom-made site already done, and you just collect the money every month. Right? And they say, well, we need a blog post every month. Well, then you go and you curate content for a couple of bucks here and there, and it's really easy to do. So why does Vidproposals need to come along in this time? So Vidproposals is by Neil Napier, who's an amazing software developer. And what he's done is he's actually put everything together for you. It's completely cookie cutter, including a complete lead gen source that you can use. Now, I've looked at the back end of this whole software. I got a review copy, and it is phenomenal what he's put together here. He's really he hasn't left anything out. So it's phenomenal, including getting electronic signatures for the contracts. So if you are looking at doing agency, or you want to do agency on the side, or you're thinking man, I would like to do agency, but I don't have any skills at building websites or that kind of thing. You don't need it. All you need to do is basically, use all the tools provided for you, and you just basically be the middleman and collect the money. So that's why Vidproposals is so cool. Now, if you're running a full-blown agency, then this is even easier for you, because this is basically done for you. You get to choose. You can do a video. You can do a face-in video, sort of like this kind of thing, where you're down in the corner talking about what you're going to do, what your service is going to do. And you basically can go through, let's say you're targeting a plumber. Well, you'd go into your pre-made plumber sites and say, here, this is a website that we provide for you. We change out all your contact details. We put in the your images, and then we make sure that your business is with Google Places and all those types of things, right? So basically you present it to them, and then you send it up. Now you're going, well, how do I get those leads? There's a whole lead gen system in there. So what I want to do is I want to play the demo that they've put together, a really concise demo for you. And then I'll be back after that. I'll just hit my hat. And we'll talk about the bonuses that I'm putting together for you for this package. And they're actually doing a webinar tomorrow morning. I'm recording this on July 5th. And tomorrow morning, July 6th, they're going to be doing a webinar. It will probably be evergreen. So if you're watching this after July 6th, you'll be able to click the link and you'll be able to find the tutorials for that. Or you can just go through and grab this product. So let me keep the demo here for you. Let's see. This is it. Let me just...
Hello and welcome to the demo of Vidproposals. We built the solution to make it easy for business owners like you to find, prospect and close leads. With Vidproposals, you can offer personalized videos and contracts. Once accepted, your client can sign them and we track everything. This is how you use Vidproposals. Step 1, log into your dashboard and start creating your first video proposal. There are 2 ways to create a proposal. You can start from scratch and use our video recorder to record a video. This can be on camera, on screen, or a mix of both. And you can do that with the Chrome extension we provide you. For best results, I like a mix of both, so I can personalize my proposal. Usually, in these videos, I talk about how I can help my client's business. Alternatively, you can also use one of our preset templates. With an easy search feature, you can find the proposal that works for you. You can search for the niche and/or the service type. Our team has created many of these proposals for you. In fact, as you can see, we have also created professionally recorded videos that help point out the problems that your prospects are currently facing. These videos then help highlight how you, as a service provider, can solve these problems. These templates also have ready-to-go proposals or contracts you can use. With our built-in editor, you can edit these contracts as you want. Insert additional videos, images, text, and even customize your pricing. In fact, you can even embed external links and calendar links here. Everything you need to make your proposals interactive and ready to be signed. Now let's go into step number 2. This is the easy part. You can share this proposal with your prospect. You can even embed it on your website if you wish. You can add a custom thumbnail as well as a call to action in your videos. Now here's the best bit. With Vidproposals, you can collect e-signatures from your clients. In fact, once you share the proposal with a client, this is what it looks like to them. Your client can review the proposal and sign it. Once they do, you get a confirmation, but not just an email confirmation. Vidproposals locks in the contract so neither you nor your client can make any further changes. They can also download this contract and so can you. On your end, you can see the client's signature, the date of signature, the email, and the IP address. You also see a confirmation of the total proposal value, which for you is a sale. Now here's step number 3. In this step, we will help you find prospects. It is possible that you already have prospects in mind, which is great. But if you don't, you can use our Lead Gen Deal app to generate leads from anywhere in the world. Simply pick a niche and add a location. So you can search for real estate leads in New York or restaurant leads in Los Angeles or in London, anywhere else. This app will help you instantly find leads that you can reach out to and close. Vidproposals and Lead Gen Deal apps combined give you leads and an ability to close these leads professionally. No need to go back and forth over emails with misplaced documents and contracts. It is now time for you to use Vidproposals to streamline your business.
Now, how amazing is that? Like, you saw how simple it is. The interface is just like, let me see if I have it actually open. Let's see. No, I don't have it open. No, it's not open there. So if you understand the concept, it is so simple to do this. And basically with the lead gen system, it will just spit out leads. So you want restaurants, boom, it will give you all the information for the restaurants. You set up the Chrome extension and it just sends out your proposals for you. It's so amazing. Done, right? It's a done deal. Once you get the contract in hand, you just either have your cookie cutter sites that you provide to them, or you outsource like right away, like however you want to do, however you're running your agency thing. Now, some of you are watching this and you may be going, Glenn, I don't want to do agency. If you're just looking to be an affiliate marketer, then go down and click my #1 business online link. It'll be below the Vidproposal stuff. Check it out. It's if you follow those instructions, and I'm not guaranteeing anything, but that's what I use and many people use to make a lot of money online. So I can't guarantee anything because I don't know how you're going to work, but if you want to see that. So the first link, if you want to go check out Vidproposals and you want to see the webinar, you'll see either the replay of it or you'll be able to grab the software. I highly recommend grabbing this if you guys are dabbling or thinking about it. It has full money back guarantee, all that kind of stuff. But when you see the power of how this works and how easy it is, now you don't even have to be an agency. You could use this as Vidproposals for anything. Like say you're doing network marketing and you want to do a proposal with someone in your team, right? So you can actually build a video showing them your back office, or showing them how you do your recruiting, or showing them how you use your autoresponder, or showing them how you use your social media. You could go and show your Facebook and like, this is how I recruit on Facebook, and this kind of stuff. It'd be really powerful. So it can be used in very many ways. So this is Vidproposals demo and review. And again, I'll put some bonuses together for you that will be relevant for the, I'm just going to work on that tonight. You will have relevant bonuses for you. And of course, in all my bonuses, guys, I'm here for you. If you choose to do this, to take any of the softwares that I recommend, I will get on a Skype call, or I will get on a a Zoom call, and we will go through the software together, and I will show you exactly how to use it to get to the most to make most money, including using the tutorials of that the software provides. Again, this is Vidproposals Demo and Review. I'm Glen Murray. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you've stuck around to the end. And again, if you're into affiliate marketing, go check out my other links. There's a couple of programs that I think that you would really like. Cheers, guys. I gotta end it. Bye.